Hear those crickets?
Well, it's early enough for crickets. Actually, it was like 5 p.m. yesterday, and there was a cricket in front of our house that I wanted to kill so bad, dude. Well, after 6 hours of driving, I drove 3 for the record.
The easy one.
I drove the easy one. What do you say? What are we doing here?
Man, living the dream, you know? Really doing it. Getting them wakes, baby.
Them wakes. You know, I still think of them as GTIs.
Yeah, where they are.
Yeah, for
We're
sure.
entering a new phase here.
Are we waking up?
Waking up, baby.
Getting ideas here. Ooh. Oh, what do you think, Keith?
Hey, I like it. I like it. I think we made the right choice here, man.
Oh, that looks pretty dope.
God dang, they're awesome.
Can't wait. Can't wait.
We run them about 58 is what we recommend. So, I mean, it's a preference thing. Is that a camera?
Yeah.
What is that?
This is a DJI Pocket 3.
No.
And it's got a one. Look at this. This is pretty nice. 300 horsepower for whoever needs it. Not me. I mean, I wouldn't mind it, but
You never know.
you never know, yeah.
Yeah, situation.
And these things are so slick, all the Linktree stuff, but they're so expensive.
They are, yes. The only way you could void the warranty is if you did something crazy like internally, like you're porting and polishing the engine or you're doing something crazy like that. That will mess with the warranty. Aside of that, you can put any accessories you want on it. You can do whatever you want to do to it, and you're covered. Okay.
All right, where do you want us? Right here?
Right there is good. Ready? Yeah, you guys can shake hands. Got it.
All right.
Okay, guys. I
Awesome,
appreciate
man.
the business. Have
Hey,
a great
man, you've
trip.
been great.
Nice
I
meeting you.
appreciate it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
hell yeah.
yeah.
Anybody
Appreciate
you
it.
know looking for anything, I try to take care of everybody to the best of my ability.
Give you a shout out. You're
I
nice to work
appreciate
with.
that a lot. If you could do the Google, man, I love it.
Oh, we'll do.
And as soon as they're laminated, you guys are on the road.
All right, awesome,
Right.
man. Thank you so much,
Thanks
Jason.
again, guys.
Appreciate
I
you, brother.
appreciate it.
Ho, 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 ho. Come on. Well, I don't know where we're at. It's taking us home apparently, but regardless, we did it.
We did. Capturing some Americana on the way. And that's all we're doing, man. Trailblazing.
Look at those puppies.